The corona pandemic hasn't even ended yet, but a new epidemic, mucormycosis, or what we call commonly black fungus, has been seen as a rise in the COVID-19 recovered patients. There are several reports of black fungus claims eyesight to some COVID-19 survivors in Gujarat. The black fungus cases are in rise in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Delhi. Out of 40 patients reported in Surat, 8 have lost their eyesight. Now we will discuss more about the black fungus. A news reporter or journalist has posted it about. He said 6 patients admitted in 2 days in Delhi's Gangaram hospital. Senior ENT surgeon tell him that it is a dangerous fungal infection with high mortality, with patients suffering loss of eyesight, removal of nose and jawbone. It has mortality of 50%. Now talking about the reason, Gangaram ENT chairman Dr. Ajay Swarup says steroid use in COVID treatment could be one of the reasons for the rise in black fungus infection. Now talking about the symptoms, he said get biospy done if symptoms post-COVID are nose obstruction, eye cheek swelling and black rust in nose. Now we will get more information by the article from CBNC TV 18. The article read that there are several cases of black fungus, a rare form of fungal infection, have been reported from Delhi hospitals. It is raising an alarm among doctors as India struggles to flatten the curve of new COVID-19 infection. Private medical facilities in Delhi have reported several cases of black fungus. Last year, cases of black fungus were recorded in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and Karnataka's Bengaluru. Now, talking about what is black fungus infection. Mucormycosis or zygomycosis is a critical fungal infection that is caused by a group of molds, a type of fungus known as mucormycetes, according to US Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Moles are already present in the environment and they attack people with comorbidities or weak immunity. Therefore, black fungus infection is attacking patients who have recuperated from COVID 19 but have comorbidities such as diabetes, kidney infection, heart failure, or cancer. The major symptoms of disease include face numbness, swelling in the eyes, nose obstruction on one side, among others. Now, talking about how severe is the black fungus infection. This infection can even be fatal if left untreated, according to doctors. A senior ENT surgeon, Dr. Manish Munjal at Sir Gangaram Hospital, told PTI, "We are seeing a rise again in the dangerous fungal infection triggered by COVID 19 in the last 2 days. We have admitted 6 cases. Last year, the Delhi infection caused high mortality, with many patients suffering from loss of eyesight and the removal of nose and the jawbone." Now, talking about its mortality, it has 50% mortality rate. But as in case of almost any infection, early detection can save life. Doctors suggest that if people who have recovered from COVID-19 are suffering from any symptoms or black fungus, they must go for a diagnosis. I also urge you to please take care of yourself as a new infection is on the way. When Niti Aayog was cautioned about it, they said that we want to ensure that there is no outbreak and we are doing proper surveillance of the situation. That is it for all today, guys. Like the video and share it to your loved ones for creating awareness. Also, wear mask while going outside and follow social distancing. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.